All right, so now we are going to start talking about how we start to add the windows and the doors and all of that nice stuff. All right, so if you want to go to window and doors, it's up here just like you have the wall. So I just click on door, and then I can click on the type of door I want, just like the other one. Now, if at all I don't see these here, I can always go to my insert. If I don't see what I like, load family, go back to any. Well, let me get out of hood. Go back to any, and I can go to doors, and they have a selection of doors. Now, if for any reason you don't like some of the doors that they have in here, we can also go to load family, and this is where we can go to a folder where we've previously downloaded something from online or something like that, and we can also bring that in there. So if you notice, one of the doors that I have, this Pella bifold door with different sizes, this is going to be a different type of door that was not in the AutoCAD file, but I went to the actual Pella door company, and I was able to download this file from here, so I can go ahead and put that type of door in there. So just like when I look at the elevation for the 3D, I can go to the view and look at the 3D view, right? Or if I'm looking at the elevation, I can just go to the actual elevation and look at it that way. But right now, I'll just show the camera looking at the 3D view. There you go. All right, and then I can go back to my level one, and that's where I put my door. I can do the same thing for windows. I'll go in, architecture, window, and I want to show you guys this actually. So for some of our windows, we have different types, right? So you got all different types of windows. The fix, most of our windows come with a certain size, and when I put that window in, that's the size I have. But when we go to this different type here, this instant fix window, this window I can actually kind of change the size for stuff that I want for myself. So I can click on this window, and here I can actually make the width, the seal height, which is the width, the dimension from the floor to the seal of the window. So I'll actually go 0 for my seal height, and I actually want this to be 8 feet. And when I go to that view, there's my window that I just put in right there, right? I'll actually move that over so I can look at it. And then I can actually go in and put another door. And like anything else, it'll give you the dimension. You can change the direction of it just by clicking on the arrows. And I can change where my dimension starts or ends, anything like that. All right, so that's how we add our windows and doors, right? And when we look at our doors, every door is going to have a seal height, which is going to be 0 for our doors, but for our window, it will have something different. And I also put a different type of window in here, which is another one, a Pella window that I got from offline, and I'll just put it in here to show you what that one looks like. And that'll be my regular single hung type of window. All right, so have fun putting in your windows and door. Oh, one more type I want to show you. So this one actually is going to fall under the wall category. So if I want to do like a full glass, the type I'm going to get you guys to use here is going to be the storefront type. And I'll show you right here. So I'll put this here. Now, before I actually put it, I want to set I don't want it to go to level 2. I want it to be unconnected, and I only need it to be 8 foot for mine. And I'll just show you exactly what that looks like. And that'll be that type of window, the full window. And I can actually make it bigger if I want to. I can click on it, and I can say instead of unconnected, it's working, it's the actual wall. I can go say level 2, and it'll go up to level 2. or I can make it go all the way up to level 3 and be 2 stories. Okay. However, I want to do those types. That is what we call our storefront.